mentions ng iba sa TikTok. So ayoko lang na siguro pangunahan. Yung iba sa inyo, ayoko lang na pangunahan nyo. And ang masasabi ko lang guys is kami ni Miyuki, we already talked to those two guys. So hindi na ako mag-name drop, or I think basta we already talked to those guys, and after we talk ng maayos to those certain people, only one, isa lang po yung kumbaga nag-reach out, and nagsabi ng sincere stories niya. And even up till now, he's still saying his sincere apologies. And I just want you guys to know, lalo na dun sa mga nag-chat or mga nag-DM or mga nag-PM, na that was Nox. So inamin ni Nox na yung mga bagay na nagkamali siya, aminado siya na nagkamali siya, and he really reached out sa amin ni Miyuki to say his sincerest apologies. And dun ko talaga nakita na he was very genuine for that. So please, dun sa mga nagsasabi na ng negative kay Nox, please siguro bawasan or tigil nyo na, kasi ako sa akin na manggagaling na si Nox talaga, he really reached out to us to say his sorries. So yun lang naman ang gusto ko sabihin. And like dun sa nangyayari, kami ni Miyuki, we could always forgive naman. We could always forgive, but it's hard to forget. You could forgive, but it's really hard to forget. So pero at least, diba, like after namin kausapin those guys, I won't name drop anymore, those guys, isa lang talaga yung nag-reach out. And even before na mag-live ako ngayon, nag-reach out ulit si Nox to say his sorry. So dun pala makikita ko na very sincere talaga si Nox, and di namin niya talaga na mali siya. So yun nga, sa mga nagsabi talaga na, or mga nagsasabi na ng negative about kay Nox, tigil nyo na guys. And kasi kilala ko yan si Nox eh. Like every time na sa amin circle, every time na parang may mangyayari or may magagawang mali, isa si Nox sa mga magsasabi sa amin na mali yung bagay na yun. And then susunod ako ni Gerard, susundan namin siya ni Gerard, and stuff like that. Isa talaga si Nox, siya talaga yung pinakauna na nagsabi na mali to, huwag nang gawin to. Kilalang kilala ko si Nox. So syempre masasaktan lang din ako if may masabi kayo sa kanya. Although, di ba, nagkamali naman siya, pero inamin niya naman. Yun yung mahalaga doon, guys. Inamin niya na mali siya, nag-sorry siya, and nangako siya na he will grow from that mistake. Pero what if hindi inulit? Hindi naman guys, like as far as I've talked to him, I could still see an angle na nagkamali lang talaga si Nox. Kasi sinabi niya yung buong katotohanan niya, and nararamdaman ko talaga, like nararamdaman ko pag sincere yung tao. So siguro gut feeling na lang din, and yun nga. So yun nga, basta yun lang naman gusto ko sabihin. Kasi I mean, at the end of the day, kaibigan ko pa rin naman sila. So even though na nagkamali, I would still find a way to forgive them. But I don't think I could find a way to forget it. So how's Yuki right now? Siguro I would say she's getting okay. Like hindi pa rin siya totally okay, pero she's getting okay pa. So wag kayong mag-alala kay Miyuki. Like lagi ko naman siya tinatawagan, checking up on her. So don't worry about Miyuki, basta yun nga. Ayun lang naman kaya ako nag-live. So sana wag niyo nang pag-usapan. Wag niyo nang pag-usapan kung sino man nakakaalam. Wag niyo nang pag-usapan yung issue na yun. So maging positive na lang tayo guys. Let's all just move on. But yun nga, we would still take a break. Hindi naman namin alam kung kailan kami babalik, pero I'll assure you na guys. I'll assure you guys na babalik naman kami, pero I mean not right now pa. So yun lang. Wag niyo na lang pag-usapan na yung negative na yun. And yun nga, dun sa sinabi ko sa kanina, dun sa isa, stop saying stuff about him na. Kasi yun nga, I really saw the sincerity. Yun lang kaya ako nag-live. So yeah, I think that's it. So bye na Kurt. Okay, bye friends, bye goodness. Bye Angie, thank you Janice, thank you Shabby, thank you Alawigan, thank you EXO, thank you Trisha, bye Angel, bye Grace, bye Yan, bye Kate. Sa mga hindi ko mabasa, I'm really sorry. Alam niyo naman, the comments are very fast. So I blossom by Jen. Don't give up on Miyuki. Of course, Jomar. Of course. Hintayin namin kayo. That's okay. Please take care of Miyuki. Oo naman. Thank you, Mia. Bye, Ash. Bye, Isha. Bye, Micah. Take care. Thank you, Ellen. Thank you, Judge. Bye, Joan. Bye, Nia. Just, thank you, Maya. So, yun nga guys. Bye-bye muna. So, tandaan nyo guys. Hindi siya... This is not goodbye. This is not goodbye. This is just see you again. Okay. Hindi mo na ako magla-live. Hindi mo na kami magla-live hanggat hindi pa totally okay si Miyuki. Ayoko lang maging unfair kay Miyuki na hindi siya okay pero ako nagla-live ako and stuff. Like kahit sabihin natin na like if maging okay na ako, ayoko naman na mag-live tapos siya hindi pa rin okay. So I'll still wait na maging okay si Miyuki bago mag-live. So yun lang. Thank you, Nea. Thank you, Lori. Thank you, Bia. Thank you, Almira. Thank you, Gary. Thank you, Glendy. Thank you, Belly. Thank you, Ellie. And yeah, bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, man. Tandaan nyo, this is not goodbye. This is just see you again.